Hi guys, this is Ashwin here. In this video, we are going to solve the problem binary search tree insertion. You are given a pointer to the root of a binary search tree and values to be inserted into the tree. Insert the values into their appropriate position in the binary search tree and return the root of the updated binary tree. You just have to complete the function. You have given a function that is node of insert and the root node with the data. Here the constraints is number of nodes in the tree can go up to 500. So we don't need to worry about the constraints here. But as you can see, the format is in class form. We have to code the logic with respect to class. Usually they just given this root node and we will be just inserting that appropriate node in the particular position and return the root. But in this case, they have given a class format and they are calling the function with this particular object. So I'll be using a while loop to insert that particular node in the corresponding position. You can also use recursion if you want. If it's in the normal case, we would be using recursion, but in this case, we will be using a while loop. Both are almost same logic, only the method is different. Okay, here we have an example. This is the tree we have, and the value to be inserted is 6. In binary search tree, we have to follow a certain condition, that is lesser values will be go to the left of the current node and greater values will go to the right. So here 6 is greater than 4. So we will be going to the right subtree and 6 is lesser than 7. So from 7 we will be going to left. And at this point we have no nodes. So we will be creating a new node and insert it in this particular position. Like this we have to solve the problem. If it's recursion means we will be calling the same function with only the argument will be changing. We may see the recursion format in future, but for this problem, we'll be using a while loop. Okay, let's solve the problem now. Now, we will be creating a new node equals node of value. So node is a class. It will create a new object with value in it and assign it to new node. So this is the object we are going to assign in this binary search tree. Let's leave a space. And now we need to check whether the root has some element or not. Case 1, root is null. If self.root is none, then self.root equals new node. So we'll be assigning the new node to the root and return the whole function. Return self. We can return this object while returning the function, or else you can just leave it as return. So here it's not assigning anything. So we'll be just returning as such it is. Now the next case. We'll be storing the root object in a new variable to perform the manipulation. So current equals self.root. So the root pointer will point to current. Now we will traverse the nodes using while loop. Traverse using while loop. While current. So if current has some object means it will enter the loop. Now we have to check for the remaining cases. Case 2, value is lesser. So if val lesser than current dot info, it will go to the left subtree. After going to the left subtree, if the tree has no elements means we will be inserting the node at that position. If current dot left is none, if there is no elements means we will be assigning the new node to current dot left. Current dot left equals new node. And after assigning, we will return the function. If it's not entered, the condition means we will traverse to the left of the node. That is current equals current dot left. That is case 2. Now the last case is case 3, value is greater. That is the else part. So here again we have to check the condition if current dot write is none. If it's none means current dot write equals new node and return the function. If current dot write is not null means we will traverse to the right subtree. Current equals current dot write. So for each iteration, it will traverse either to left or right based on the value given. So this is the whole logic of our problem. First, we will be creating a new node. We are checking whether the root is null. If it's null means we will be assigning the new node to the root. If it's not null means we will be assigning a new pointer that is current. And in the while loop, we are checking whether the value is lesser or greater. Based on that, we will traverse to the particular position and insert the new node. Finally, we will return the function. Okay, let's run the code now. It passed the sample test case. Let's submit it. That's it guys. We solved the problem. If you like this video, hit the like button and don't forget to subscribe the channel for future video. See you guys in the next video.